Hi, this is Kelly at KD Web. Today we're talking about blog posts. Why have a blog at all? It's an extension of your website. It gives the website further reach when it comes to targeting key phrases. If you want to know what a key phrase is, just take a look at my last video. So when you're writing blog posts, look up the key phrase first, find out whether or not it's highly searched, use a key phrase that hasn't got too much competition when it comes to your competitors' websites, your competitors' blogs online. And when you get writing, if you're using something like WordPress, save the blog post as that key phrase. Don't use the small joining words in the slug, the name of the page. So don't use in, the, and. Keep it nice and short in that respect. But when you write the actual blog post, write it for human beings. So you will need to use those little joining words, the, in, at, from, of, and use them within the key phrase. Google will read between the lines in that respect, where they'll know what you're actually targeting these days. So write the blog post, save the blog post as the key phrase, use the key phrase in the title, use the key phrase throughout the blog post in the first paragraph, certainly in the very last paragraph. Use the key phrase as link throughout the text, so when you're referring to something, link to it, and use the key phrase as the links. That will strengthen your post. Make sure you use an image or strengthen the post with a video as well, like this one, targeted to certain key phrases. Embed that onto your post, and these kind of blog posts will start to do really well online. I hope that helps, and see you in the next video.